What are we making today, Margaret?
Today we're making a Trombley classic, the Salmon Citrus Soy.
That's right. Salmon Citrus Soy has been a family favorite for years. This recipe is quick and easy and only uses a few ingredients. Squeeze an orange, a lemon, and a lime into a tablespoon of soy sauce. Sharpen your knife and slice a red onion paper thin. Sauté 4 salmon fillets skin side up in hot oil. When the cooked line reaches halfway, flip them over. When they're up to your level of desired doneness, move them to a warm platter and start your sauce. Add some butter to the pan, swirl it around, add your onions, cook them till they're nice and brown. Add the sauce with the citrus and cook it until it's reduced, just enough for 4 fillets. Anything else is wasted flavor. Drizzle it over the salmon and you're good to go. But man, that went fast. Let's slow it down and go to the kitchen with my daughter Margaret. Okay, so we're here in the kitchen. This is my daughter Margaret. Margaret has been out living on her own for about a year, and it's time she got some recipes in her repertoire. What do we need? What are the ingredients, aside from the obvious?
Salmon fillets, 1 lime, 1 lemon, 1 orange, some red onion, green onion
For garnish.
and some soy sauce.
Now, we would like to have shallots, but we don't. And a red onion will do just fine. Shallots would be even better if you have them. All right, so what's the first step? We're gonna cut that citrus in half.
Okay, let's start with I like to use this juicer.
We have others if you prefer.
No.
Oh my God.
Do you want to do
Let me do the line.
It's hard.
Tablespoon of soy sauce. So that's the base for our sauce. No. Show me how thinly you can slice an onion. Oh my God, they're like onions. Come on, paper thin.
Maybe if my knife was sharper.
Oh, no you didn't. Right there. Okay. Hey. So, now we're ready to cook. We're going to start, we've got a beautiful bowl here.
Scotty K.
Made by our friend Scott K. We're gonna line this with fresh spinach. It's just a bed of spinach, and the heat from the salmon will actually wilt the spinach. So Margaret's got oil in the pan, and she's got a, what do you got there? A medium high heat going, and we're gonna wait until we're starting to get some smoke. And your first move is going to be what?
My first move will be to put the salmon fillets in the pan.
If you want that. Yes, skin side up. When the oil's hot. We want to hear a sizzle. Don't drop them in.
It burned me.
No. Oh, God. This is not how you want to do it. All right, now. Okay, so our cook line is just short of the halfway mark. Make sure you don't leave too much fish on the floor of the pan. Oh my God.
I might need some help.
that's beautiful. Okay, so now the cook line has gone up to the center again, and it's time to remove our salmon to the platter.
Looking really good.
Okay, we're going to cover it up with a little foil tent. Time for your sauce, Margaret. Hit a good spot of butter in that pan. Okay, so we've cooked these down so they're browned up really nice and very tender. Nice job, Margaret.
Thank you.
And now it's time to hit them with the citrus. Here's the magic, the citrus soy. Let's listen for the sound. Oh, that is a great sound. Now this is an important step. You want to scrape everything up off the bottom. Here's where you're going to clean the pan. It'll make it easier when it's time to wash it, but more importantly, you're going to grab flavor from all that salmon. And it'll go right into that sauce. Now, if you saw my chicken piccata video, you know you only want as much sauce as you need to put over 4 salmon fillets. Any extra sauce is wasted flavor. So we're going to reduce this until we have just what we need to put over those fillets.
Looking good.
Looking good. When you can drag the spatula across the center of the pan and that stays before it fills in with sauce, you're good. Kill your heat. And now we're ready to drizzle it over.
I like to garnish with a little parsley and scallion.
Oh, good God, garnish the dish.
Garnish, you need a light touch.
There you go.
And we're rolling. Are we rolling?
Are we rolling?
You're rolling.
We're rolling.
We have established that we are rolling.
Margaret, I don't want that on
It's
me.
the Antony look.
I'm not Antony. I don't want this on me. So, it's upside down. It's upside down.
No, it's unnatural.
I know. It's upside down. Those flex. You flex those biceps. That's gonna look good.
I find this is
Workout.
a good arm workout as well. I've had a good IPA at some time.
All right. Throw the ends in the sink, if you will. The other end, but we didn't need to get more out of that. Put it in the bowl. Oh my God.
You got me nervous.
Handle at this point is going to be pretty hot. All right, thank you. What are we doing here?
It's a little hot on my fingers.
All right, you got to move the pan. We don't want it all on one piece. All right, why don't we put it down? I feel this is going very poorly. No, I don't use the middle.
What?
All right.
It's almost not very protected.
All right, cast iron is very popular. It's very heavy, and when it's hot, it can burn you. Oh,
Don't you?
fucker! Oh my God, that's so hot. We're all having PTSD from lifting that hot, heavy skillet. And there you have it, salmon citrus soy in a jiffy. This is Tony and Margaret. Thank you
In our
for
first
watching.
and last cooking crossover.
Please.
And cut.